Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I did this fluffy twist out. So we're going to start on an old twist out that was done using Coco Creme. I chose to use this on my twists for a hold that won't get frizzy afterwards and was low manipulation, unlike gel. To untwist, I'm using Grapeseed and Avocado oil, and I'm separating the twists into small curls while running my hands down them. While doing this, you'll see that my ends are becoming more fluffy while my base is maintaining most of its shape and hold. Once my twists are unraveled, I will touch up my edges with control paste from Texture by Cantu by simply just sweeping the baby hair away from my face. Then I use my Kazmaleje brush to pick out my hair to make it more fluffy. I even brushed out my ends lightly to make it a bit more dimensional. What a wonderful world. So I really adore this look. I thought it was super easy and festive for the season, so I decided to jazz it up with some sparkly hairpins, but I really feel like you don't really need them in all honesty. First, I secured my hair with actual bobby pins, and then I just put the sparkly pins over top. So in the end, I know that the lighting got a little bit wonky, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Bye!